being able to look through the eyepiece and make those adjustments on the fly while you're trying to frame up and take a picture are pretty much key when it comes to taking the picture quickly. With this lens, it's all self-contained. Everything's happening inside of the lens, so there's none of that lens extension going on. RAW and JPEG, there are two different settings here. You can turn RAW off by rotating your switch, and you can see that there are little pictures of the two different switches so that I know which to adjust. I'm blocking that sun and making it much softer on him. On my camera here, I'm able to adjust my shutter speed with this roller, increase that shutter speed up above, 1/200th, 1/300th, then we're able to freeze that action.